how's it going? This is Nomad Mobile Maintenance and Repair. Today we are finishing up on the Nissan. It has turned out fantastic. It's maybe idling a little high. I think there might be some adjustments that someone made at some point, because I think the idle speed is supposed to be about 100 or 50 lower, but it still is idling fantastic. We no longer hear any vacuum leaks, so we got all those taken care of. We had the one at the intake manifold, and we had the one back at the EGR. We got those solved. We also had a hose on the intake that was completely clogged, and you're not really going to be able to see it, but we saved the hose right here. And if you look, we can press the hose right there, but right here there's a restriction, and we found that that was whistling. So I'm going to say that that was probably causing, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it in there, probably not, but that was causing a restriction in the airflow, causing the vacuum to dip down. But now this thing is idling at about 800, 813, so a little high, but I think that could be adjusted off the throttle screw. This has turned out fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. This is Nomad Mobile Maintenance and Repair.